Hi there. So you have this video with 3 events on it, and you would like to create a DVD in DVDStyler with a menu enabling you to select between which event is to be shown. And I'll try to show how this could be done in this video using DVDStyler. I've started DVDStyler here, and I have my settings for the project, and I'll OK that. I don't want any template in this project, so I'll OK that. I'll start by dragging my video. I got it over here. It's an MKV video Matroska, and I'll get that into my project. Now the first step is to define chapter points corresponding to the events on the video. And there's basically 2 ways of doing that. First, I click on my video, my title here, in order to get its property. It is using the default settings for the spacing between chapters, which is 10 minutes. And one way of defining chapter point is merely to edit here. Now I got a chapter point at 12 minutes instead of 10 minutes. The other way of doing it is to click on those 3 dots over here, which access the chapter editor. And now I have my chapter point here for the 12 minutes. And now I'm accessing the visual chapter editor, and I could start choosing like here. Now OK that, and you'll notice now the chapter point is at 13 minutes 47 seconds, and now OK that. Now the next step is to have some buttons on my menu enabling to choose between the chapters in my video. And I could use this button here. I'll double click on it, and I could call this event 1 and OK that. And I had 3 events on the video, so I need 3 buttons, and like this, and I'll edit this to call it event 2, and I'll edit that for event 3. Okay, so far. Let's have a look at the buttons, because if I double click on this, you can see under the action I'll be able to jump to my title set. However, the chapters within this title set is grayed out. And how is that? OK that. Now this menu resides in what is called the video manager domain, and actually you cannot use a button on a menu in the video manager domain to jump to a chapter within a title. You can only jump to a title itself. If I take a copy of my menu and I paste it in here, then I get a similar menu. This menu, however, is residing in what is called the video title set domain, and from here you are allowed to jump to chapters within a video. So I could do like this, jump to my chapters, and OK that. That's one way of doing it. Now DVDStyler actually has a way of cheating, because if you have a look on the options here, the property, it has something called create jump pads, and if you tick that and go back to the menu in the video manager domain, which you have here, and have a look at the actions, you'll see now you are able to jump to the chapters within your video. It's because using jump pads, DVDStyler allow you to do actions that really isn't allowed on a DVD by making the jumps into the title set domain and performing the legal jump from here to the chapters within your video. So whether you choose to have a menu in the title set domain or you choose to use the jump pad, it's up to you. Anyway, my video itself, it contains the video and the audio, and these are already DVD compliant. So DVDStyler has chosen to make the copy for me instead of choosing here, which would imply encoding of the video. So I'll okay that. Of course, if I really wanted to have both menus on my DVD, I would need some kind of action to jump between those. Oh, like this. And I could make a DVD from here. I always just generate it or create an ISO image first, so in order to test the DVD before I actually burn it. So I'll start it here. And since it's DVD compliant, it's rather fast to create my DVD. I'll just skip it here and go to the generating and see. And it's generated my DVD with success. Close that. Let's see, here is my ISO image, and I could start testing it. Use VLC for that. I got my events here. I could jump to my other menu, the menu in the video title set domain, and select events. I have chosen, so it works, and I'm ready to actually burn my DVD. Before leaving here, I would dwell a bit on the type of menu, depending on whether they are in the video manager domain or in the video title set domain. If I double click on this menu, you'll see the type of menu I have here is a title menu. Now if I go to my video title set domain and double click on that, I have a choice between different type of menu I could have here. Say I had a chapter menu here. The significance of a menu being a chapter menu is not so much as the action to be performed from that menu is to select chapter, rather than if your remote control has a button saying chapter, you would access this menu by clicking on that button. The action you perform from that menu could be anything. You don't need just to select chapters, and the same goes for angel menus or subtitle menus and so on. Just wanted to mention that. Bye from now.